That's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are ripped out.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And yes, I'm at Auto Tyres. I love this place. They sort out all my tyres and anything I need doing regarding tyres on my car. Now I'm installing wheel spacers on my Mark II Focus ST. Now I've done a video on my EPC Type R installing wheel spacers. If you click up on the link somewhere on the screen now, you'll be able to see that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go. Right, so here are my wheel spacers. At the front we're gonna put on 15mm, and at the back we're gonna put on 20mm. So it should look really good. So we've taken the wheel off. It's straightforward to put a spacer on. Obviously the spacer goes on just like that, and then the nuts go on, and that's how simple it is to put a spacer on. So I'm going to do this side, and then same for the rest. I'll show you this side, and then I'll show you once they're all done. So use a gun and a 19-inch socket as you would use for a normal wheel set, and just tighten them up. I'm going to torque it using a torque wrench just so it's safe. Obviously to 120. Make sure you hear the clicks. And there's your spacer on. Now we're going to put the tyre on, do the rest, and once it's done I'll drop the car and show you exactly how it looks.
Just drop the handbrake on him.
Right, just obviously once the wheel's on, just torque everything up so everything's tight and safe. Do it for all of your tyres. Go on, give me. Right, so there you have it, the wheel spacers on my Focus ST, 15mm at the front, 20mm at the back. I want to say a big thank you to Auto Tyres. Also, if you click up on the screen, you'll see the video of my EPC Type R that Auto Tyres helped me do the wheel spacers on. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. I hope this video is helpful to anybody who's going to put wheel spacers on. It's simple, don't forget to torque them up and tighten them up. Take care, stay safe, I'll see you soon guys.